Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're ready to elevate any dining experience, then you're going to love these Chic Leaf palm leaf plates. My favorite thing about these plates is how beautiful and unique these plates are. Each plate has so much character. They're light yet durable, smooth, but you can feel the texture of the palm leaf. These plates are so durable and you don't have to worry about them getting soggy. This plate sets itself apart from any other plate. I've recently used them for family dinner, a barbecue with friends, and even dessert. The best thing about these plates is that they're eco-friendly and biodegradable. These plates can be used for a variety of occasions. So if you're looking for something that's going to elevate any dining occasion and looking for something that's durable and beautiful to set the table with and eco-friendly, then you're going to love these palm leaf plates from Chic Leaf. And that's my point of view.